Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Simplified Channel. In today's video, we're going to answer an important question. What is research? And we'll also explore the three main types of research: qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods. If you're a student, teacher, or just starting your research journey, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. What is research? Research is a process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information to answer questions or solve problems. It's not just about reading or Googling something, it's a systematic process. That means research follows certain steps: identifying a problem, reviewing what others have said, collecting data, analyzing it, and drawing conclusions. The goal of research is to gain new knowledge, to discover something useful, or to find solutions to real-life problems. You can do research in many areas, like education, science, health, technology, and even in your daily life when you're trying to make an informed decision. Now that we know what research is, let's look at the three main types of research. The first one is qualitative research. This kind of research focuses on words, ideas, feelings, and experiences. It helps us explore questions like how or why something happens. For example, if you want to know how students feel about studying online, you won't just collect numbers. You'll talk to them, ask questions, and listen to their experiences. Common tools in qualitative research include interviews, observations, focus group discussions, and open-ended surveys. The data is usually analyzed by finding themes or patterns, not numbers. This type of research gives you deep insights, but the results are not always measurable in exact figures. Next is quantitative research. This one is all about numbers and statistics. It's used when you want to measure something or find relationships between variables. For example, you might ask, does studying 3 hours a day improve test scores compared to studying only 1 hour? To find out, you can give a test, collect the scores, and then use statistical tools to analyze the results. Quantitative research uses tools like multiple choice surveys, tests, experiments, and statistical analysis. The results can be shown in percentages, averages, graphs, or tables. This type of research is great for measuring and comparing things, but it doesn't always explain why something happened. The third type is mixed methods research. As the name suggests, this type combines qualitative and quantitative methods. Why would we use both? Because sometimes numbers are not enough, and sometimes stories are not enough. Mixed methods give us a complete picture. For example, let's say you want to know how many students passed their exams and also what difficulties they faced during preparation. You might use a questionnaire to collect the scores, quantitative, and also do interviews to understand their struggles, qualitative. This approach gives you both the what and the why behind the results. It's a powerful method, but also more complex and time-consuming. Let's do a quick recap. Research is the process of finding answers through evidence and analysis. There are three main types of research. Qualitative uses words and explores meanings. Quantitative uses numbers and measures outcomes. Mixed methods combines both for a deeper understanding. Which type of research do you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to English Simplified Channel. And turn on the bell icon so you won't miss the next video, where we'll talk about how to choose a strong research topic. Thanks for watching, and remember, research doesn't have to be complicated when it's simplified. See you in the next video.